Well, this is the plane from the last video all fixed up. It looked a lot worse than it was. The only thing, the box smashed. It wasn't too hard to make another one. And these two joints smashed, and this whole bar fell off. So this time, I laced them on with some wire, so even if the joints break, it shouldn't flop off and crash into the ground. And the battery that was in the plane is in surprisingly good condition, so it'll fly again. And I think after reviewing the tapes, it seems the biggest problem was that we didn't have a pilot, so we fixed that. So this time it should at least stay in the air without braking, so any crash should be pilot error. That mean?
I can't see it. Oh, there it is.
Oh, that's really funny.
Ah. I can't see it.
That was the same failure, wasn't it?
Broke the propeller. Come on, get that. So, I guess we're gonna have to make our own way. How's this then? It's broken up.
How's the carbon fiber frame?
This joint.
Yeah. And the next one back here also.
One more flight? Look, it's stuck. Nothing's wrong. See, it's going. It doesn't even need a motor. It doesn't even need a propeller. It's great.
I think it's better than the last crash, though.
Yeah. Yeah. But now I gotta make a wing, which will be fun, because now I have to strip all the hot glue off of the spar, which will be very fun. Did you get any footage of it flying?
Yeah, I got the entire thing.
Sweet.